Now we talk about some key characteristics and information about Venus that astrologers need to know. Point 1. Ruling planet in astrology. Venus is considered the ruling planet of two zodiac signs, Taurus and Libra. It influences the qualities associated with these signs and plays a significant role in the chart of individuals born under them. 2. Astrological symbol. The astrological symbol for Venus is representing femininity and feminine energy. It is associated with concepts such as beauty, love, sensuality, and harmony.
3. House placement. Venus's placement in a specific house of an astrological chart reveals the area of life where its influence is most prominent. For example, Venus in the 7th house is often associated with relationships and partnerships, while Venus in the 2nd house may indicate a focus on material possessions and personal values. 4. Planetary aspects. Astrologers analyze the aspects formed by Venus with other planets in a birth chart. These aspects can provide insights into an individual's romantic inclinations, artistic abilities, social interactions, and more. 5. Love and relationships. Venus is strongly associated with love, relationships, and attraction.
Their preferences in romantic partners and their approach to forming and maintaining partnerships. 6. Aesthetics and beauty. Venus is linked to aesthetics, beauty, and artistic pursuits. It can indicate an individual's appreciation for art, their creative talents, and their desire for harmony and balance in their surroundings. 7. Pleasure and enjoyment. Venus is associated with pleasure, indulgence, and the enjoyment of life's luxuries. It can reveal an individual's preferences for comfort, leisure activities, and the pursuit of pleasure in various forms. 8. Values and personal worth. Venus is connected to personal values, self-worth, and what one finds valuable in life. It influences an individual's sense of what brings them happiness and fulfillment. 9. Social interaction. Venus is associated with social skills, charm, and diplomacy. It influences how individuals relate to others, their ability to form harmonious connections, and their general popularity. 10. Financial matters. Venus also has a connection to financial matters, including wealth, income, and material possessions. It can indicate an individual's financial inclinations, their approach to money management, and their ability to attract abundance. These are some of the key factors that astrologers may consider when analyzing the influence of Venus in an astrological chart. It's important to remember that astrology is subjective, and interpretations can vary among astrologers. For personalized insights, it's recommended to consult with a professional astrologer. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Whether it's a helpful tutorial, an entertaining vlog, or a thought-provoking discussion, you'll have front-row access to all our future content.